In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login error easy and fast. So all what you have to do to fix the problem is very easy and simple. Just open the settings page on your phone like this and then scroll down, go to the apps on your phone and then go to apps right here and then wait a few seconds. It will start loading this page and then scroll down until you find the Instagram on your phone like this, and then all what you have to do now is click on the force stop option and click on the storage. Click here on clear data, go back, click on this power usage details, scroll down until you find the force stop option and click on it, and then all what you have to do is restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.